Good morning, good morning, good morning. This morning I'm making some oatmeal porridge for my kids. So I'm just adding some cinnamon, some vanilla. So I'm using Quaker oats this morning. So I'm just going to take out a cup. So my water is boiling with all my spices. So I'm just going to add my Quaker oat. Then I'm just going to whisk it and I'm going to leave it to cook. This takes easy to cook, so just now it will finish. So my oatmeal is almost finished, so this is the time I'm going to add my milk. I'm using Carnation milk today. I'm using also some box milk, your fresh ground nutmeg and grate. Get your oatmeal and pour it in the plate. Get yourself some blueberry and just pour it on the top like that. More fresh blueberry and just add it on the top like that. Say your grace and eat.